In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly customize both the header and footer of your website to make it truly your own. Whether you want to tweak the site title, add social links, or completely revamp the design, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that your site reflects your vision. Let's dive right in. Starting from your homepage or any other page on your site, you'll first need to click on Edit. This action opens the page editor, the portal to a world of customization possibilities. Once the page editor is open, direct your attention to the top part of your page and find the option labeled Edit Site Header. By clicking on this, you'll see a menu slide into view on the right side of your screen. Here, you have several ways to tailor your site header to better suit your needs and brand identity. For starters, you can change the site title and add a logo to give your homepage that professional touch. If connecting with visitors is key, you can integrate helpful content blocks. Add buttons, social links, and adjust the button text to be inviting and clear. Not only can you modify these elements, but you also have the option to play around with the style and background colors of the header. A visually appealing header can make a big difference. If your site visitors tend to scroll down a lot, you might want to enable the fixed header option. This feature ensures that your header always remains visible, no matter how far down the page they go. Once you're satisfied with your header adjustments, let's turn our attention to the footer. Again, from your homepage or any page, click on Edit. This time, scroll down to the bottom and click on Edit Footer. Here, it's similar to what you might have experienced with the header, offering lots of room for personalization. In the footer section, you're in control. Add new content, delete what's no longer relevant, or adjust existing content blocks to suit your needs. To modify any text, simply double-click on the text block. This allows you to easily edit text or add hyperlinks. If you're feeling creative, click on the plus icon to introduce new content blocks or the Add Section button to select from pre-designed footer sections. Each option provides a seamless way to enrich your footer with valuable information and links. For those interested in taking things a step further, the Edit Section menu is your go-to tool for overhauling the footer's overall design. Here, you have the ability to change the layout, adjust background properties, and fine-tune the color palette to ensure consistency with the rest of your site. With these steps, you can transform your website's header and footer into elements that not only captivate, but also communicate effectively with your audience. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, happy editing.